What's up YouTube? You don't know it's your host Andre and welcome back to another episode of Positivez JA. Please continue to support the movement by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you'll always be the first to be notified whenever the videos are out. Yeah, stand up for yourselves, stick out for you, you know what I mean? Push out for you. No one will push the effort for you as much as you will do. Yeah, YouTube, welcome back. Become a priority in your life. Your mindset is very important in achieving your goals and your dreams, so work on it daily. Whatever you set your mind on, that is what you will become. Your mind is a very powerful tool, you know what I mean? Anything you believe you can achieve, and if you set your mind that it is impossible, it will be impossible. I can remember back in high school when we had mathematics exam, and most of my friends, they were like, I'm not going to pass it, so it don't make sense in study. And I said that is the first step of failing, not believing. You have to first believe, you know what I mean? Because math was my favorite subject. And the approach in life, you have to first believe. If you doubt, you will never fail. And so said, so done. All of them, they end up fail because of what? The mindset that they had. You cannot approach life on a negative mindset and expect to excel. Your mind is very, very important towards your development. So just use it wisely. You know what I mean? Be positive. Think highly of yourself. Believe that I can and I must. You can do all things through Christ who gives you the strength. Never downgrade your dream just to fit your reality. Upgrade your conviction to match your destiny. Yeah, always believe in yourself. Always tell yourself that I can do it through Christ who gives me the strength. You have to believe in yourself, you know what I mean? You have to be convinced that I can do it. As I stated earlier, your mind is very important towards your development. Anything you set your mind towards, you can achieve it. Because just look at it, if you tell yourself, I can't bother, I'm tired, you will never complete a task. But if you tell yourself that I'm going to do it regardless of feeling tired, you do it and sometimes not even realize that you were tired. The mind is very important if you realize. The mind is what lead you. You know what I mean? You have to convince the mind that I can and I will. Push yourself because no one else will do it for you. Success does not come by something you do occasionally. Success comes by something you do consistently. You know what I mean? Don't stop doing your best because someone does not believe in your dream. You'll never have everyone in support of you. You have to be your biggest supporter, your biggest motivator. Be an intrinsic motivator. Always push yourself. It's good to be an extrinsic motivator as well. Adapt from others' energy and go forward. Want to emulate and stuff like that. But I personally believe that the best kind of motivation is to be an intrinsic motivator. Push yourself, believe in yourself, set yourself to reach the climax, reach your pinnacle. Stretch for your goal. The sky is the limit. There is always room for improvement. There is always more to do. Stretch your abilities, stretch your capabilities. You know what I mean? Believe in yourself and go for what you believe in. And there is always more to accomplish. So whenever you think you will reach your pinnacle, there is always more. Stretch your mind. Always stretch your mind. And I mean, challenge your mind to do the best that you can do. Challenge your mind to be the best version of you. You don't know, it's Positivez JA, and please continue to stay tuned by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing, and hit that post notification bell so you can always be the first to be notified whenever the videos are out. We are out until next time. Continue to stay tuned to Positivez JA.
Yo, Positivez TV. I really got the lyrical one. I mean, I say Andre Ayat. You don't know the thing, though. We keep it positive all the time. I don't know how to do it firm and strong.